Unlock the power of Windows 11 and mastering the new task manager on Windows 11. So I'll tell you a few very important tips on Windows 11, and I'm sure you will love it. So you can open the task manager by doing a right click in the start icon, and you can click on the task manager. There are other ways as well through which you can open, like you can press Control, Shift, and Escape together, and it will open up the task manager for you. Control, Shift, and Escape. And here you can go to Processes, the very first tab. You can maximize and minimize like this. So I have minimized here, and I will just click on this Open Navigation, and you will see the name right here. So I'll tell you what needs to be done, what things we can check in Processes tab. We can view and manage running applications and background processes. So you can check which all applications are taking how much CPU and memory. You can maximize, you can drag it like this, which is using your internet. You can check that as well. In the performance tab, you can monitor the CPU, and you can check the GPU, the disk, how much CPU is being used, how much memory, what is the percentage of the disk. It should not be 100% or 80-90%. That means it may go down. You can check your GPU, is it getting used or not? Is it working or not? How much is the GPU? Right. So you can monitor from here. And then we can go to app history, and here you can tracking app resources usage over time, like how much it is using. You can see the Chrome has used the most, and you can check right here what exactly which application is using most of your computer resources. And if you do not know the name of it, you can always search it online, search it in Google at what exactly that process or app name is. Then we can go to startup apps, and from here we can enable or disable applications at the startup, like I have disabled it, and few important like security, sound, audio is been disabled. So I do not need OneNote at the startup. So I'll just do a right click and I'll click on disable. All right. In the users tab, you can again monitoring resources used by different user accounts. So you can also try that. All right. And here in details, it's actually the advanced details of the processes. What exactly the description. Here you can check that. And in services, you can check which all services have been stopped and running. So you can check how much how many services are running. All right. You can set the priority of the performance, I mean, the usage. I'll tell you in the details, you can always do a right click and you can set the priority. In details, you can do that. Let's say if I'm doing something, let's say if I'm editing, and if there is any video editor process running, you can set the priority from normal to above normal. Do not go to real time or high, make it above normal or at least high, not more than that. Right. So though that particular application will be using the resources, you can set the priority on that. So you can just play with it and get to know about the Windows 11 Task Manager, and you can try that. Do let me know if you have any question regarding Task Manager, any problems regarding Task Manager. I'll try my best to explain and fix if there is any problem or issues. Please do take care. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day, and please do hit the like and subscribe and leave a comment whether you have enjoyed this tutorial or not. I'll be glad if you do so. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.